driving. Got my wife back there in the Ford Edge. Objects in mirror are losing. See, I already know she's losing. What should we talk about today? Sorry I've been gone for a while, guys. I was on a little vacation at the Kalahari with my family, enjoying some pool time. It was nice to get away. But, back to work. Put my daughter in the car. Now watch this. She loves this Mustang. Although we're not really going to go anywhere. Let's turn it on. Clutch in. That's right. I'm a man. Oh boy, she loud. Is she loud? You like it? What's up, guys? I'm back on vacation, or back from vacation. Daughter's playing in the dirt, teaching her how to garden, you know, do it while they're young. She already helped me kind of detail the car before, so she knows how to do that, sorta, where she kind of grabs my dirty rags and puts them on the car, which is, you know, she's my daughter. It's fine. I'll accept it. Anyway, today the car is slightly dirty because I live by the river, meaning I hit a lot of bugs and a lot of stuff. But I'm going to show you guys what my car looks like after 3 years and moving on to 4 years of being wrapped. That means no fixes, no little repairs on the wrap or tears, you know, I didn't go over it and repair it, whatever. This is legitimately past 3 years I've had this wrap and I haven't touched a thing. So I'm going to show you guys the flaws, why I still like it, and, well, the changes. Let's just dip into it. Right? As usual, we got the train. Alright, so the wrap has been on the car for going past 3 years, and I love it. But I'm going to show you guys something. Some people on my Instagram or TikTok or whatever, I can leave those things down below, or if you haven't seen it in my intro, you guys can follow me on the other social medias. Yeah, as you guys can see, there's little blemishes and like little scrapes here and there. Keep in mind, this wrap has been on for over 3 years with not any repairs. None. You can see right here, starting to pull up right here. Now I can fix that, and I probably will. We'll see, because we plan on changing the wrap or repainting the car. This week, we've been mostly gone at the Kalahari, swimming, taking the kids out there swimming. She had a blast. Please don't throw that at the car. Nah, it's alright. But yeah, as you guys can see, I do have the logo of IBS Wraps right here. IBS Wraps is the one who did my car. You can kind of see myself right there in a 3-year-old past wrap, no repairs, like I'll say it about 100 times. IBS Wraps is no longer. Yeah, obviously, I'm not going to get into it. There's a lot of people that know why. I mean, there's a lot of you that don't know why. But some things went south or wrong, and he ended up moving on. And I'm going to leave it at that because, like I said, I'm not one to get into that kind of stuff. So, that carbon fiber hood though. Checking on the daughter here. Where you think you're going? Come on, come back in here and play with your dirt. I don't need you running off to the road when I'm not paying attention. I'm always watching you. Now, like I said, the front, being by the river, this eats up a lot of bugs, and it sucks because it's so hard to clean this, especially with bugs and stuff. It's a pain in the ass, and I'm pretty sure you guys know that. Especially getting into that grill, which I've got stuff that kind of squeeze into that grill. Squeege. Anyway, but yes, so the bugs are a pain in the ass. Cleaning these headlights, pain in the ass. All that's a pain in the ass. So, especially the antenna gets a lot of bugs too. My side mirrors get a lot of bugs. Sorry if it is dirty. I'm just showing you a raw video. I'm not one to try and hide things really. And I'm gonna show you guys that my car isn't all what it seems when you see the pictures and photos. I guess you could say I make it look good. But over the 3 years, I mean, keep in mind, this isn't the wrap's fault, too. It's doing its job. I think I got a little line in here somewhere. Let's see if we can get it in here. I can see a little thing right here, too. A little line here. Oh, here it is. You can see that line there. No bueno. I guess you could say some of the wrap is peeling up into here, too, slightly. Where do you think you're going? I got stuff that peeled up down into here, but I've been hitting rocks and stuff, and she hit the car. But like I said, it's my daughter. Hey, stop doing that. I got a big one back here. Keep in mind this, as you can see, the spider webbing. I try to have some LED lights on in the garage too, so you guys can try to pick this up better. I know, look at all that. That's a disaster. And then I got nicks here, here, you know, and there's a bump here. I mean, there's a little bit more. I was slightly rear-ended back here. So again, that was not the wrap's fault. Being rear-ended slightly, just enough to cause spider webs underneath the wrap. So when I peel this wrap off now, I know the paint's gonna come right with it. So that sucks. But again, not the wrap's fault. It's actually doing its job. I guess I can't really say it's protecting the paint. But yes, like up on here is protecting the paint. There's a lot of marks here and there, and I wiped the back off here really good, so you guys, I'm not trying to hide anything or say it's actually not dirty. All the stuff you see back here, that's all like blemishes and marks in the actual wrap itself. And for 3 years old, I mean, it's holding up really well. Most wraps do not last this long, I'm just telling you. Usually they say about 5-6 years you can do it if you take care of the wrap. Some other wraps that are maybe the cheaper brand, won't get you there. Right? They won't get you there. Alright, let's dip into some other stuff about the wrap and more, well, I guess scrapes or whatever. Where we had to cut the wrap to make the wrap fit on the spoiler the best we could in our ways. I guess you could say Nate did. Did a good job because, keep in mind, this is 3 years later. We actually tore everything off the car from bumper to bumper, side mirrors. What are you doing? Come here. I know, but you've got to stay over here where I can see you. From the louvers, bumper, spoiler, taillights, headlights, I mean everything. Everything came off the car when we wrapped it, made sure we tuck all the corners and everything. That's probably why this wrap lasted as long as it did, and still continuing. Like I said, everything I show you guys on this video today will not be the wrap's fault. Some, you know, peels, that's basically over time. Hey, get over here. They weren't kidding, man, when they say they grow up and just run away. So, yes, again, this one here, still something I have to repair. Again, that's not the wrap's fault. It might actually be. I doubt it. It's just, it didn't really stick well like the other side. So, we ended up putting more on here and starting this thing. Yep, we're just going to forget that. I'm going to fix it. The spider web, you can see a little better here, too. It's bad. But like I said, hard to see in photos, and you have to be up close to really see that. You can see, like, over time, it's starting to pop up a little bubble here and there in the cracks or the creases here. Cracks. This side I don't think it's peeling. Yeah, it is actually peeling a good. All right. I tried to heat gun that a while back to make it stay down, which worked, but it's starting to peel up again. But like I said, this is 3+ years, so no fixes, nada. Now, one of the biggest things with wraps too is down into here. It's crazy because if you can kind of see, the wrap is still there reflecting off my finger. But down in the bottom here, starting to peel a little bit. That's bound to happen on like every wrap you do. They're gonna peel up in those areas where dirt can easily get up in there. Here you can see, since I'm lowered, it did a lot of damage. I gotta fix this too. Being lowered and hitting stuff, and no bueno, again. Missing scratches here. You guys can see that. This is not any handprints or anything, those are actually little scuff marks here and there. That's just the price you pay, man, for owning a wrap. Now, like, some people that wrap cars, I mean, like Paradox the Rapper, some people are like, well, he comes back with flaws and whatnot. He's at least showing you flaws, and you can't expect every wrapped vehicle to go out the door perfect. They're gonna come back. There's gonna be issues. This is 3+ plus years of, pretty good work. But being that I have issues here and there, I didn't take it back, whatever. Well, considering Nate's no longer doing it, but I do have people that can do it, including myself now. But the thing is, I don't need to really fix it yet, and I plan to actually change this wrap in the future. Hey, get over here. Come on. Stop running away from me. You little weenie. No. I know you can see yourself, but you don't hit yourself. That's right, don't hit the car. That diffuser by Brandon, looking great. That must be my daughter. Yeah, that's her handprints. But yeah, the diffuser looks nasty. I love that. But yes, like I said, Paradox Rapper is actually really, really good at his work. It goes out the door, sometimes stuff comes back, and that's just part of the game. Stuff happens. You can't expect it, like I said, to go out the door perfect and not come back. Hey! I'm watching you. Get over here. You escape artist. But, yeah. So, with that being said, all the little blemishes and stuff like that, it at least protected on most of these areas my paint underneath. And this will easily come right off, and I can fix up whatever I need to underneath, as I know I had a couple little things I fixed before we wrapped the car, which is basically like the dings on the side of the door, there's little scuffs on the actual paint, which I went through, sanded down. I'm gonna go through and actually repaint those. I might actually repaint the car vapor silver and black, like a two-tone, or we might go with a different wrap all in general. We're back once again. So, being 3 years, can you guys admit that, it doesn't look that bad after 3 years pushing 4? Not bad at all, right? I know around the logo here is starting to kind of come up in the little areas, but like I said, a heat gun, pressing down, and just taking care of the wrap in general should be good. Like I said, sometimes depends on the brand. I'm running an Avery wrap, which is a Rushing Riptide Avery wrap. 3M's pretty good too. There's a lot of good brands out there. You just gotta look into it, do your research before you start, decide to wrap a vehicle, and take your time. There's a lot of patience in doing that. Don't rush it. I guess on the stripes here, my ghost stripes I got going on, believe it or not, the Russian Riptide here is gloss. The stripes are Russian Riptide, but they're in matte, so when they come down at different angles, you can see the stripes, sometimes you kind of can't, so it kind of creates like a ghost stripe, which is actually pretty dope, and it's kind of a 3D deal. They kind of pop out a little bit, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so, if you guys were wondering what my daughter's doing, no, I'm just kidding. How do I clean and maintain this wrap? Well, it's very easy. A lot of my deluxe car care stuff is right here. I got more coming, or more stuff I'm going to be using as well. Iron X is really good for your, brake dust and wheels. It's actually amazing how good that stuff works. I use Speed Gloss, the purple right here, to clean my car like a detailer. And then after I'm done, I use Hydra Bead right over here, the blue one. Now this is actually really good as well. Protects the car over, 3 months or so. Hey, watch it. I'm always in the corner of my eye. And then Crystal Clear here, blue one, cleans your windows. Tire Plus, you can use this for your interior and your dashes and stuff, not just for your tires and wheels. So all these are really good products, and they have more, plenty of more stuff that you guys can use, including stuff for your, pressure washer. So keep in mind, you don't have to, there's rinseless, there's everything you need, you know what I mean? So it's amazing stuff, and if you guys would like to shop there, use my discount code Pedretti10. I'll leave that down here as well. so you guys can use those products, and I'm saving you some money. So I know you guys could easily just go to Walmart or go somewhere and buy products for your car. Cool, but do you guys want stuff that actually really works? Yes, I'm not kidding you. Try it out. Just give it a chance. Go on there, use my code, and get something for yourself. Alright? And keep in mind, 2,000 subscribers, we're doing another giveaway. It'll be a little bit of a bigger giveaway. Alright guys, thanks. Stay tuned to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And see you next time.